This is the story of a pig named Piglet and how he lived. Piglet was a small little pig, the smallest of all of his brothers and sisters. But alas, he was small. Piglet had a big heart. He could never stop smiling. He was always happy about something. At least, until one day, while he was playing in the fields, there was a strange man who approached little Piglet and captured him. Piglet was then taken away. His location is currently unknown. To give this brave little guy a memorial, please hit that like button. To give him the burial he deserves, hit the subscribe button. For now, Piglet shall rest in peace.